is why you need to stop using plastic. Stop using plastic. See this water pump? It's not leaking. This water pump's not leaking from the seal. It's leaking right here where there's a crack in the housing. Cheap. Show you how cheap these companies are. See, there's the new one. It only comes with that. You have to reuse the old door, and you have to take these things out of here and these, and reuse these with the old door and put them on the new part. Pop this out of there. Put it into the new one. Then you screw this in. Just let it hang there, and then you do the same thing for the other side. Might need your pipe wrench. You're going to loosen up this. This piece here comes out. You have to screw it into the new one. You can do that after you get it removed. Now this, I have this piece here on purpose in case this needs to be replaced or serviced, so that way you don't have to cut and re-glue the pipes. This is going to have to be unscrewed. Unscrew this. It's not easy. Then after you unscrew that, you're going to remove the 4 bolts that attach the pump to the housing. I'm going to loosen up the 4 bolts on the top and the bottom and open it up. And get the bolts out, and then you're going to pop it loose. Careful, because a bunch of water is going to come out. Remove this from the old part. Oh, I like that. See, it has a seal. I don't have to worry about the stupid thread tape crap. I hate that because it's hit or miss. Sometimes it leaks. Go over to the new one and just screw it in for now. You can tighten it up later. Your setup will probably be different than this one. Take this off of the old part. Now, it's not really meant to have a seal there, but I had an extra one and I put it there, and it does work. And I'm also going to put some thread tape on there. And then this is going to go right here to the new part. This piece here, see it says up? It easily comes off, so you want to make sure. And also you can remove any crap that's in the impeller. Take that off, and then what's nice about this, it actually came with a new seal here. This seal you can take out and replace it, but there's a new seal on the new piece. So I'm just going to leave it in there. You got to put the old basket in there because they're so cheap. They should come with all new stuff, but they don't. See how it's damaged from the sun? I don't like that because it's fragile. It can break. And you gotta put the new seal in first, and then you're gonna put this. Then you just close these 2 up, tighten them down, and that's it. Then you can turn the pump on and make sure it's not. See, here's the new seal. You just stick it in there like that. Make sure you pour 2 gallons of water into here before you put the cover on and turn the pump on.